In this video, we are going to see how we are going to use HTML page to fetch and load data using Python Flask RESTful API. Let us get into the demo now. In the last video, we have seen how we are going to collect the values using the unique, then collect value equal to bad. So whatever it's bad and those values will be fetched. The other one is stat also we can get. It will give complete statistics of the data. With this description, how many records are there? Like this, it is going to give, for example, good large patch high SNR. It is going to have 579 records. So now what we are going to see, there is a web page called form. It is using the RESTful API only. All the unique values will be populated in this list. So for example, I am going to select that good low SNR3. Yeah, we are getting it. Likewise, next I am going to choose this one. In this demo, I am going to see how we are using this HTML page and what is the code behind this. The rest of the codes are remain intact as shown in the last video. Here there are only these two things it's been added. Form and the result. In the form, I am going to use the get. From this list, the DE list, what I am doing is I'm adding into this set. Then it is being populated into this form HTML. Let us see the form HTML over here. Yes, this is the form HTML, and it is being on pressing the submit button, it will be moving to this action called 127.0.0.15002. The result page will be fetched. How dynamically the value is being populated is, I am giving this list val over here. It's very simple. Just I am going to give this list val. How this list val is being populated? I'm pausing this DE bad. DE bad, it's a set. So whenever we are using set, what will happen? Automatically the values will be made it is a unique list of values. That is the purpose of this, and I'm going to do this or script. The value that I'm passed is DESC into this form HTML. So what this form HTML will do, I'm iterating on this DESC over here to fetch in the RESTful in the Flask framework. If you are trying to get any values from the Python, here I need to pass the values as render template, and here we need to pass the value to this variable. Then I'm iterating on this value using this for loop. In the optional value, the list value has been populated over here like this. Then for and end for, then submit button. That's it. On submit, the selected values from this option will be passed to this result. That's it. Here it's very simple. In the form, the unique values has been populated over here. In the result, it is a dictionary, right? The request form to dictionary, that value is being populated in this unit description is the key. Let us see this result now. Here what we are populating is very simple. We are passing it as an output. What is the output over here? What are the values I fetched over here? I am passing it to this output. From the dictionary, the unique description has been populated over here. Then the value got stripped, because there will be some extra blank space would be there. Then I'm iterating on this DE list. DE list will comprise all the values, the unique values. Then every time I'm checking if this value is in this list, then I'm adding into this DE bad. DE bad is nothing but the list. I'm passing it back into this result output. It's very simple script only. In this form, why I'm giving unique description is the name is given as unique description. It will become a key value. Because in dictionary always it is going to be like this, the key value pair, right? The render template is part of the Flask, but I added over here. Otherwise it won't work. So in the result HTML, it is passed to an output. In this output, I am listing all the values. That's what we have seen over here. Assume I'm selecting this marginal per. Lots of values are there. Let us see the unique or stats we can see, sorry. Stats, not stats, it's a stat. What is having less number of records? Assume, let's take this 11. The marginal bifurcated call pulse low SNR. Marginal bifurcated. This one, pulse low SNR. So 11 records came, right? Yes, this is the count, it's 11. So now what we have seen is using the HTML, we are properly handshaking. And one more thing also I need to show where we are creating this HTML, because this is a framework, right? It is going to be in these templates. So automatically, we need not tell the path or anything. From wherever the Python is running, from that location, we need to create this template. How we are going to run this? Using the same format. The Python, the formatted PyScript. Sorry, form RESTful PyScript. That's it. So this is the only two things added compared to the last session. If you have any questions, please post your questions in the comment. Then I will reply at the earliest. Thank you.